Hi, Tony Fennick with Barletta Boat Company, and I want to show you how to operate our front Bimini system with an arch today. So first thing I like to do, because I'm a little short, is I like to lower the arch a little bit so it's easier to zip this front Bimini to the arch. So I'm going to have Jack here lower the arch, and then we are going to connect the front Bimini to the arch. So you'll notice in here there's a flap that will connect this gap from the arch to the front Bimini arm. So this is why I lowered the arch, so I could easily grab this and zip it up. So after I get that middle piece zipped together, I'm gonna raise my arch so I can now lock in that back Bimini. After I have my middle zipped together, I'm gonna move to my rear Bimini and get that nice and tight. I'm gonna have Jack here help me. I recommend 2 people for this. It's possible to do it by yourself, but this does get a little bit tight, so that's why I have Jack here helping me. So you have a nice little push button here. You push that in. I like to grab from the top and bring it down until it clicks in. So last thing you're gonna wanna do is now come to the front of the boat and tighten this front Bimini. And it's the same system as the back. You have this push button here. You're gonna push down, grab from the top, and just bring that down until it clicks in. Now that this is locked in, you have a nice taut Bimini to where you're able to go down the water without it just flapping at you. And it's just a nice Bimini system. So this is the operation of the Bimini, the front Bimini with an arch.